Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? And today I was sitting in front of my Baba's statue and I was offering him some yellow color flowers, and I made a yellow mala and I put, and I felt Baba was asking me to tell you all also to offer him yellow flowers today. With yellow flowers, maybe one or two roses. I don't know. I always love offering Baba a red rose. Maybe more like, to say that I love him, or just like an indication that, I love red roses. So I love giving him that. So maybe today you can also do that. Offer him some yellow flowers or red rose if you want to. And today keep in front of him little bit of chandan. In that chandan, add rose water and make a paste and keep it in front of him, and chant Om Sai Ram, or anything that you like chanting 1 or 8 times, and you use that as a tilak for you. Baba will definitely bring in a lot of tremendous changes in your life when you use that tilak which you have done after chanting. Because okay, the first thing came is be persistent and knock on Baba's door. So maybe that is why Baba is saying to use the tilak regularly, so that he will give you what you desire and he will help you in achieving. Because maybe something you've been asking Baba for quite some time now, but you're not getting your answers, or Baba is still not given you the right direction for that, because of which this card has come, that have patience and keep knocking at his door and he is going to give it. Because if you see here, you just keep trying, that's what it has come. So if you keep trying, what will happen? Bountifulness. So he will give you what you need. See how I always wonder that, how not only these cards, even in tarot cards, I always wonder how the sequencing forms. Just with the flow they form, and just with the flow they answer all our answers. So here Baba is saying, be patient and keep asking him, and he will give you what you need. All you need to do is have the faith, and that is why every Baba's temple has Shraddha Saburi, because with Saburi and Shraddha you will get what you desire. So do the offerings of flowers today, and maybe offer him some prasad also. But as I always say on Thursdays, feed a stray animal, feed a stray dog, especially because Baba loves feeding dogs. So you also should feed a dog, and I'm sure Baba is going to bless you bountifully. Have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day.